Welcome to the GRDC Research Update Event App tutorial. Open the App Store on your device. Click on the search bar and then type in Hoover. Select Hoover Event and Conference App. Download the app and then press Open. Press Allow notifications to be updated on important information throughout the event. Press the Sign Up/Sign In button. Enter in the email you use to register for this update event. Create a new password, enter in your personal details, and then press Continue. The Hoover app will then open into the homepage. Press See More, located at the bottom of the page, for the event welcome and description. Press Agenda, located at the bottom of the page, to see the full program with details on time, location, and speakers. Click Tracks, located at the top of the page, to filter each session by location. For example, all sessions located in Crown Ballroom 1. Press on a session, then the presenter's photo, to see their bio and more information. Some sessions contain sub-sessions, so don't forget to click on them for more information. Each session has a notes function for you to use. You can email your notes to yourself at any point during the event. Thanks for watching. Speak to the GRDC team if you have any questions.